Hello, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to post a quiz to Google Classroom. I'm going to post a Google form quiz, and it's very easy. You can take text-dependent questions like this and turn it into something that looks like this that will automatically grade your students' quizzes, and you can easily transfer those to Progress Book. So let's go ahead and begin. To bring this up, what I like to do is I'll go to Google Forms and I'll click blank quiz. And once this pulls up, I will rename my blank quiz to whatever it is that we're working on. For this week, we're going to be reading the lottery. And a lot of times I'll just take and copy these questions directly from whatever sheet that I'm using and put it directly into my blank quiz. You can post your question there. You can add your answer choices. And just by clicking this blank below, you can add different options. When you're ready for a new question, you'll hit the plus sign and it pulls up another question. And you have a lot of different options to choose from. You can do short answer, paragraphs, multiple choice, check boxes, and all of these other ones. There are a lot of options for Google Forms. I have a finished quiz here so that I can show you very quickly what this looks like. Once you get your answers in, you're going to want to create an answer key for this. By doing that, you just click this answer key button, select the answer that you want, and assign it a point, and click done. And you can do that for each of those questions and just making sure that you have points assigned to those. So whenever this is ready, we're going to go to our Google Classrooms and assign it. So I click on the class that I want to assign it to. I go to classwork and I click create. This drops down a lot of different options here, and I'm going to create this as an assignment for students to complete. Give it a title. And at this point, we need to actually add our Google form. So I click add. I go into our Google Drive. And I see the Google form that I've been recently working on, so I'll select that. You can also search for your document in this search button. Or you could go manually into your Google Drive and look through the folders. This is usually the quicker option. So I'll select that and add it. At this point, you're going to see that you can turn on locked mode for your Chromebooks. I'm not going to do that for this assignment because several students are going to be doing this at home. I do want to make sure that my grade importing is clicked so that I can import those grades very quickly into Google Classroom. On the right side here, you see that you can select which classes will receive this quiz. You can assign a due date if you want. And additionally, another thing that I like to do is I like to create topics for my assignments to go into. Since this is a new topic, I'm going to title it. And then that way, students will be able to see all the assignments that fall under here. Whenever you're ready, you click assign, and this will push out the assignment to all your students. They'll be able to click on it, take the quiz, and you'll be able to grade it. I can show you very quickly, though, what one of these looks like. Let me scroll down here real quick. And here you can see that 19 students have finished our final quiz for our last book. Whenever I would be ready to grade this, I just click import grades and it will populate their grades on this left side. So I hope this helps. And if you have any questions, please feel free to email me. Thanks.